How to reset your Windows laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily reset your Windows laptop or PC. So if you want to format your laptop, what you basically have to do first is right-click on the Start menu and then find Settings. Once you head over to Settings, on the left-hand side, you'll find System. Go over there and then scroll down until you find Recovery. Tap on Recovery, then you'll have the option to reset this PC. Go ahead and click on this button to reset PC. And before you reset anything, you would want to back up all of your files since all of the files are going to be deleted, but there is an option to keep your files as well. It will remove all of the apps and settings, but it's going to keep your personal files. But just to be sure, you can back up your files even if you choose this option. And in case if you want to remove everything, including your personal files, you can choose the second option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once that is done, you should be able to reset your PC without any problem. So let me just click on here. And currently it could not find the recovery environment. So you're going to have to insert your Windows installation or recovery media to restart the PC with media. I currently don't have that, but in your case, you should be able to do it without any problem. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can reset your PC without any problem. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.